Happy Sunday, YouTube. It's been a little bit rainy, but I did manage to take my latest Amazon purchase out, and I guess I just wanted to show you that I did manage to buy something on Amazon that I was pleasantly surprised with, because I took a bit of a gamble here. I bought stuff that was recommended. You know how when you buy something in the bottom it'll say, and people who bought this also bought these other two things, so we recommend you buy all these three things in a bundle. Well, I took a chance and spent $22 on this Camelbak Chute Mag water bottle. It's an insulated water bottle, 1.2 liters. Let me come closer and just check the bottom here. Yeah, it's 40 ounces. So this was $22. When they say Chute Mag, what they're saying is that this top, you can open it up and there's a magnet in the back so that the cap doesn't slap onto your face when you drink, so you're just drinking through here. This part is magnetized, so it basically sticks to the lid here, which is just your regular screw top lid. So yeah, this is insulated stainless steel. It works just like any thermos. It keeps your hot drinks hot and your cold drinks cold. And the mouth is wide enough to unscrew and put ice cubes in. And this is dishwasher safe, so you can just put the whole Camelbak. You just unscrew the top and then you can put the thermos part. Like basically the whole thing goes into the dishwasher, so that's cool. So basically the whole point of this device is that you don't lose the cap, unlike say a plastic water bottle where you're constantly losing the cap. All of this is sort of attached like Eddy admits, so that's great, and it does carry quite a bit of water. It is on the slightly heavy side, but you know, you can carry it like this, and so by carrying it by the handle, it doesn't, you know, it's pretty well constructed. It doesn't you know, twist off by accident. So the other water bottle that I have, which is a glass water bottle, not only is it heavy, but the screw top actually unscrews pretty easily. So if you don't have it screwed on tight, you could basically drop your bottle and break the glass, which isn't that great. So yeah, this is pretty sturdy. And let me just demonstrate how you don't need to get one of those Camelbak bladders with the knapsack, which is going to set you, gosh, you know, like some of those like high-tech military types will set you back quite a few dollars, right? Unless you're like one of those athletes that's always you know, on their bike. I don't think it's really necessary if you're just a hiker, but you know, you're talking to an amateur outdoors person, complete beginner. So for me, this functions as a Camelbak, because those Camelbak knapsacks can go up to like I don't know, $100, $200, but this works because I've had this on my back. It's just a plain old Adidas knapsack. I mean, I guess you can get them at any sports store, $30 to $50, and I mean, but the whole point of this demonstration is that your 1.2 liter Camelbak will fit in this sort of elasticized pouch here. And if you get the carabiner, you can just kind of hook it up so that it stays up. It doesn't leak. It's pretty comfy to carry. I mean, the comfiness part of it comes in the knapsack design. So it's the padded handles with the load spring. I've had this knapsack for years, so it's my favorite knapsack. I like the yellow color for the dark, and I like the size and the many different pouches. But yeah, so this totally works. It keeps your water bottle up, and you don't really have to get a fancy Camelbak situation, because this bottle, like I said, is $22 on Amazon. Now, the other part of this is just talking about the other two recommended gadgets, which ended up being good buys. So first of all, I got the, looks like this, the Camelbak Chute Mag replacement cap for $10. So it is the exact same universal cap that fits all Camelbak Triton bottles and whatever. Every time they say it fits every type of bottle, I'm always dubious, but let's just say this is the exact same, like exact replacement to this one here. So I'll link everything below in the description, but it is the exact same cap, and that's what I wanted. I just wanted a backup, so while I'm washing one, I could be using the other, and it works exactly the same way. So that's good to know. And then the second accessory that I purchased, it kind of came attached like this to the side, is the replacement cap and straw. So this is the one where if you flip the top up, it's you can just bite down and drink directly. It's just a bite valve, right? So I did wash it, and it was easy to wash. So it says dishwasher safe. This plastic bite valve piece pulls off, which I'm gonna just, let's see if we can get this done with one hand. Yeah, okay, well, maybe you'll just have to take my word for it, but it just pulls right off, and so you can wash the bite valve separately as well. Okay, I'm gonna have to finagle this for a moment. I wanted to take the bite valve off. Okay, so there's the bite valve. And this whole thing is pretty sturdy. They say this whole design is patented. I can kind of believe that. I mean, it is pretty ingenious, and okay, you're not gonna keep the mouth part as clean as, you know, the regular mag chute thing. But you know, it's easy. I'd say it's kind of easier to drink out of this. I don't know, it's not that much of a difference, but so yeah, so you can just attach the straw. Let's see if we can, yeah, so the straw easily attaches. So you kind of just stick it in like this, and then you can just sip from the top part as well. So yeah, so you can use the straw. The straw is washable, machine washable. It's a plastic straw. The instructions say you can trim the straw to fit your bottle, but I tried drinking out of this and it works. So there you have it. If you wanted to just check it out before you buy, it all fits. So this replacement cap and straw fits this bottle. So I'll give you any updates as far as you know, over time how this works, but so far, you know, it's an A+, you know, 10 out of 10. So yeah, at the end of the day, I recommend you spend the whole $42 and get the 3-piece set. Thank you, YouTube. Have a good Sunday.